My name is Blake Bowser, and I'm an IT support specialist. An IT support specialist is there as a frontline for the company and all of the different technologies and applications that they use. The organization that I work for, they are in the oil and gas industry. They'll pump and refine the oil and then send it off to larger distributors to then be sold at various places. And what I do there is I'm a part of their IT help desk team. So any users that have problems and need to get their software up and running, or there's any type of equipment they need, they will typically call me, and then I'll do what I can to either resolve their issues or get them the equipment and different devices that they're needing. A day-to-day in this job, what I usually do is whenever I first clock in for the day, I'll review all the tickets that I have currently assigned to me. I usually start with just trying to get all the follow-ups on my tickets that I need to get taken care of. If I can't get them resolved, either doing more research if it's something within my capabilities to fix. If the group I work in can't resolve it, then I'll escalate it and notify the correct people who can get it resolved. The way I keep up with technology is just doing a lot of research through different outlets such as Google, Stack Overflow, researching just different problems that people have come across there, and Reddit as well. With technology, Reddit's a really good place to go, just that has a source of a lot of technology information. So browsing some of their pages is also a good way to keep up to date. Customer service is one of the most essential aspects of this job, just because you're working with a bunch of people every single day, and you got to keep a good rapport with them to make sure everything goes smooth and seamless. I grew up here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've basically lived here all my life. When I was a senior in high school, they were offering this program through one of the local trade schools called Tulsa Tech. Applied for that opportunity and got accepted, and so I ended up applying for their computer networking course. Through that course, I got a few certifications that enabled me to get a job working for ConocoPhillips, which is also in the oil and gas industry. My boss at ConocoPhillips, he was a really big factor in making me want to improve my skill set and go further with technology. He's probably the best boss I've ever had. He was very supportive, was always willing to listen and offer help, and he was just a really nice guy. So just all of those things combined just gave me a bigger appetite for wanting to go deeper into the technology career or technology field. A couple of certifications that I'm thinking about really looking at and trying to get, because I'm actually using it in a project that I'm working on, is the Amazon Web Services certifications. Cloud technologies are very important to many organizations now, and just with how easy they make things with managing your network and different online services that you will use, those certifications can benefit you greatly with your long-term career. A few hobbies that really helped make me want to go into tech was video games. I used to have this old laptop on Windows XP that was just given to me. I really wanted to set up emulators and play games off of that. So having to learn how those work kind of influenced my decision with going into technology. When I was younger, I wasn't too interested in the tech field. I actually wanted to be a veterinarian. Both my parents worked in the medical industry, and I had grown up around horses a lot, playing video games and setting them up on my laptop at home. That's what really made me interested in wanting to learn tech. Also, with how much that career field was growing, that's what really pushed me to want to go into technology instead. Looking back on my journey, something that I would have done differently is learning programming a lot sooner. I didn't like programming when I first started in Tulsa Tech, and it really confused me. Whenever I started going to college and taking some of those programming classes, it made me realize how much I enjoyed using those tools because of all the things that they can allow you to create. If there was somebody younger who was interested in getting into tech, one piece of advice that I would give is definitely utilize YouTube. There's so many video resources out there that can help you learn anything that you want. And a lot of people up there are really good about helping you understand what you're trying to learn. If you're running into a problem, there's there's a really good chance that somebody else has run across it. So yeah, researching the problems that you're running into as well, that can really help you understand and increase your tech skills. Another piece of advice that I would give as well is think about something in your life that you think could be made easier if you had a computer do it for you. If there's some problem you're running into and computers or the internet or something like that could help alleviate or make that problem easier, do the research, see what needs to be done to get that taken care of, and use that as a way to really grow your skills and give yourself more of a drive for learning.